Minimum wage workers could make more money in our state. The Michigan Supreme Court ruled today to reinstate higher minimum wage and sick leave laws that were passed after a ballot initiative. But not everyone thinks it's a good idea. 13 on Your Side's Nathan Lee explains.
This issue goes all the way back to 2018. Voters passed through a petition to raise minimum wage and get rid of sub-minimum wages, or when your tips get subtracted from your paycheck. Now, this petition was approved by lawmakers, sending it through without an appearance on the ballot. But in the same session, lawmakers amended the bill, essentially watering down what voters had petitioned for. Now, that method is called adopt and amend, and that is what the court struck down.
In a blockbuster ruling, Michigan's Supreme Court strikes down adopt and amend, returning the state's wage laws to those on a 2018 petition, higher minimum wages, and the gradual erasure of tips being subtracted from paychecks.
More or less prepared for it to come out today, but we're still hearing a lot of concern from the business community.
In the close 4-3 ruling, justices calling out lawmakers, saying they, quote, dramatically altered and virtually eliminated rules voters decided to put on the petition, arguing their actions violate the state's constitution. But not all agree. In the dissent, Justice C.J. Clement argues the Constitution says nothing about amending a petition.
Caution, concern, confusion, and a lot of questions from employers.
Grand Rapids Chamber of Commerce's Vice President of Government Affairs, Joshua Lunger, says what lies ahead is uncertain.
Uncertainty is probably one of the scariest things for an employer.
Some say it's a win for low-wage workers. Attorney General Dana Nessel describes it as a, quote, landmark victory for Michigan voters.
Got to make changes. What do those changes look like? What if I'm seasonal? What if there's just so much kind of shock.
Others say it's disrupting an already shaky industry, and it might get rid of tipping altogether. Lunger says it's too early to tell.
And what does this mean for me? What does it mean for my employees? What does it mean for business going forward? And we're going to try to take that information and get it out as effectively as possible.
The decision also impacts paid sick leave. You can find more information about that on our website, 13onyourside.com. In the newsroom, Nathan Lee, 13 on Your Side.